Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can add like a header to Google Docs. It is super simple. You can either like double click on this part right here and it'll create like this header for you. You can insert your name here, for instance, and like the date. What's the date today? For something like that. Oh god, I want to sneeze really bad. Okay, but you can also select this if you want it like a different first page. And there's a lot of options here: header format, page numbers, and you can even remove the header here. You can also insert header here, insert headers and footers, and select header. You can also select Control Alt O on your keyboard to add a header, I think. I'm not quite sure, but this one seems to be the simple. This one seems to be the most simple way. Sorry, is to just double click on the top part of the page. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!